Hello there, it's Anna here. Welcome to Little Crochet Farm. Today I will show you how to crochet this little koala bear. It's a very easy pattern to follow. Here I make several colors and I play with the ears of this one so you can have and explore your creativity. I use a 2mm crochet hook for this pattern and a cotton yarn. All the information you'll need to know is in the description below, together with the written pattern. Alright, now let's start crocheting this toy. Super good. We will start here with a magic ring or a magic circle, and we'll start crocheting this toy from the head to the bottom. Alright. So inside the magic ring you will work 6 single crochet. If you don't know how to make the magic ring or if this video is too fast for you, check in the description below or in the top right corner of this video. I will leave a link to a complete tutorial in slow-mo showing you how to work a magic ring. Alright, but here you can see it pretty much how it's done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochet. So I pull this tight and close the magic ring, and I will move on for round number 2. For the second round here you will work 6 increases, which means that you will crochet 2 single crochet inside 1 stitch. At the end of this round you should have 12 stitches, okay? So you see here 2 single crochet, next stitch I add again 2 single crochet, and so on until you complete all in the 6 stitches. Once you're done here, what I like to do is to take an embroidery needle and just double secure the beginning of this thread here in the first round, so we make sure that this will not unravel and that this little hole will remain very nice, closed and tight, like this. Alright, now I will add here my stitch marker. I like to mark the last stitch of my rounds, so it's this one. And in my case I just use a different color, a piece of yarn of different color, okay? So for now, for round number 3, you will work 1 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 18 stitches here, alright? So this is the increase here, and you'll repeat all the way until the end. Once you repeat, this is how it should be looking like. And you can move on for round number 4, where you'll work 2 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 24 stitches. Alright, so this is my increase here. Let me show you this. So here you can see 1 single crochet here, 2, and the increase. Okay, repeat all the way until the end, and I will catch you up here for round number 5. Super good. Here you will work again, you continue this pattern of increasing 6 times. So you will work 3 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 30 stitches at the end of this round. I always suggest you to count how many stitches you have at the end of each round. Alright, so let me double check here. 1, 2, 3, and 1 increase. I repeat this all the way until the end. And this is how it should be looking like, super nice. Now we'll stop with the increases here to give the height or the size of the head here, okay? So for round 6 to 11, you will work just 30 single crochet. So here is very easy, you can stop the video here, and I will catch you up once we are done with all this. Very nice. So this is how it should be looking like. Now let me show you here one thing. This is the last round with increases. You see this one here, it's 1 increase. So you have here 1 round, round number 6, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, and round number 11 here, okay? So now let's move on for round number 12. You will work here a bit different, so this is, you will work 1 single crochet, follow me by 1 decrease. In my case I use here invisible decrease for amigurumi, so you just grab the front loop of the next 2 stitches, and you will again work one decrease. So you have one decrease following up by another decrease. Okay, this is the repetition you're going to work until the end of this round. So one single crochet, one decrease, and another decrease here. If you don't know how to make the invisible decrease and you cannot catch by this video, if it's too fast for you, check in the description below. There is a link with a complete tutorial for this. Once you repeat all the way until the end, this is how it should be looking like. All right, so we are done with the decreases for now. And for round number 13, you will work 18 back loop slip stitch. Okay, so you grab only the back loop of the stitch, this one over here, and you make a slip stitch. Once again, if you need further help here, you can always leave me a comment in the comment box below, or you can check also the description of this video. Every stitch I use to crochet this toy, there is one tutorial dedicated for it, okay? You see this line? This is what we want. This is the effect we are searching for. This line over here that you can see it. All right, and it's on this line that we will work our next round. We want our slip stitch here to be facing inside of the toy. Okay, but first let's quick stop here and add a little bit of stuffing material. All right, once you add your stuffing material, we will move on here for the next round, as I told you, in this remaining front loop here. So for round number 14, you will work in the front loop of the stitch. You will work 2 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have at the end of this round 24 stitches. Okay, so here it's my first stitch. Maybe the first one is a bit harder for you to grab, but once you're done, the rest is easier. Second stitch, and now the increase. Okay, so all of this round you will work in the front loop, this line that I showed you. Okay, so work all the way until the end. Add your stitch marker here. I forgot, but you can add it here, and that will catch you up at the end. Okay, this is what we are looking for. You see here, this is the slip stitch that we work. So the round is inside of the toy, and we have a nice and sharp division between the body and the head. Okay, now we are not working increases anymore. We will work just 24 single crochet here. So for round 15 to 18, you will work 24 single crochet. Okay, so work your single crochet here, and I will catch you up once you finish round number 18. Great, so we have here the size of our koala, and now we'll work here on the back loop of the stitch. Okay, so for round number 19, you will work 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have 18 stitches. In this case, we will work the invisible decrease grabbing the back loop. Okay, this is a special invisible decrease here. So you can hold, you see this loop, there is small here, you can hold it, and this will help you to bring your yarn to the front and finish your invisible decrease. Okay, so let us repeat here one more time. So 1 single crochet, another single crochet, and invisible decrease grabbing the back loop. Okay, so let us hold this little loop here, so it's easy for us to bring this yarn inside and finish the decrease. Okay, and this will cause once again this line here. Super good. So this is the result. We work on the back loop because we want this to be sharp, turning to the inside. So once again we stop here and we add stuffing material. Once you're done, let's move on for our last round here. So for round number 20, you will work 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 12 stitches at the end of this round. Here we are again working normally with invisible decrease. And I will catch you up here at the end of this round so we can fasten off this toy. Super good. Now we have our 12 single crochet here, cut your yarn and let us fasten this off. Add this thread in a sewing needle, and here for closing this toy you grab just the front loop of the stitch, okay? Just the front loop. Super good. Once you finish taking the front loop, you pull it tight so it's closed nicely. Super good. And now we will double secure the ending of this thread like we did with the beginning. Okay, so we just insert your needle in the last round here of the stitch. Super good here. And this is the body of our koala bear. That's great. Now let's move on. Here we will start again with the magic ring, and we will start working here the paws of the koala bear, okay? So for here you will repeat round 1 and 2 from the beginning of this video, which means that you will work 6 single crochet inside the magic ring, following up by 6 increases. Okay, so fast forward here because you already know how it's done. And I will catch you up here for round number 3. Once again, I just want to show you here that you should secure the beginning of your thread. All right. And let's add here a stitch marker. Super good. Now let's work here a couple of rounds with the 12 single crochet. Okay. So you just work here round 3 to 5, just 12 single crochet. I will catch you up at the end of round 5. Super good. We have it here, this tiny little leg. And now we will fold this leg like this. All right. So you have 12 stitches. And now when you fold it, you have 6 on the one side and 6 on the other side. That means you will crochet together 6 single crochet. Okay. The first one is a bit tricky to take it because the stitch 1 and the last stitch is beside each other. But once you finish with this first single crochet here, the rest is very easy. You will see it here. See, second stitch, much faster, much easier. Great, third. Now the fourth stitch here. Fifth, and our last one here again, one beside another. Super good. And that's it. You have our tiny paw. Now you can cut this yarn. You leave a little bit of tail for sewing later. And like this, the tail, you make 2 of it. Okay? I magically have my one here. Ta-da! Super good. Again, we will start here with the magic ring. We are working now the arms of our koala bear. So you work 6 single crochet inside the magic ring, okay? And you know how it's done. So I will move a bit fast and I will catch you up here for the next rounds. Super good. Securing this yarn and moving on. Now we will work here the size of the arm, okay? So for round 2 to 4, you will work 6 single crochet, okay? The first round here, I will work with you because it's a bit small, the detail, and I want to show you if your stitches also are tight like mine, your detail will be curling to the outside, leaving the wrong side facing out. So you see this? This is the wrong side here, and the tension is pulling this to the wrong direction. So just work this and make the right side to be facing out. Okay, look how it changed completely, right? Super good. Work now here your rounds, and I will catch you up here at the end of round number 5. Super good. Once you finish this with the round number 5, let's just hide this thread here inside of the arm. Super good. And now the same thing that we did with the legs or with the back paws, we will do here with the arms, okay? So you have 6 single crochet, right? You fold in half and you will work 3 single crochet on each side. Okay, so you make here 3 single crochet. Okay, super good. Once again here, let's cut this thread. And great, now you work another one. Ta-da!